Hello guys, good evening. This is Rudolph Rainer Asuncion, an electrical engineer, 54 years old. I currently live in Candelaria, Quezon. I am a newly transferred resident, so please bear with me. Okay. I used to serve as department head of engineering under the President of the UAE, Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. There, I was able to bring my family along, including my mother-in-law. I needed her to witness the birth of my youngest daughter, uplifting Princess Zuhaira Asuncion. Okay. The palace under my watch had a lot of improvements, upgrades. Most notable was the creation of centralized monitoring and control stations utilizing real-time satellite link. Okay? A sort of leveled up SCADA DCS. A sort of building maintenance system. It's a management for all communication, electrification, water system, air conditioning, residential, industrial, and including security electronics. All 5 palaces under my watch. I got promoted 3 times, even offered to be a Muslim. But that's for another story, okay? It was a great 5 years back then, but the kids wanted to study back home, so we went back. And back home, I put up a small photography studio and PC-based printing business, catering to schools. And I also ventured into alternative revolutionary cures, targeting debilitating degenerative diseases, including that big C, and diabetes, and everything. Okay. If you want more info, go to Facebook, zerocancer.com. After 2 years, I was recruited to teach in a local university in Lokban, where I taught for a year, College of Engineering. And at first it was a blast, surrounded by students eager to learn about my experiences and mode of teaching uniquely my own. I used to tutor the 2 sons of the president back in the UAE. Okay. Even my co-professors were sitting in my classes. So, strangely, I lasted only a year due to bad internal politics. God, I hate politics. The university president was removed eventually, but it left a bad taste in my mouth, so still I resigned. Next, the town mayor asked me to help him be a private consultant serving under LMDA in Lokban, Lokban Municipal Development Authority. It's mostly engineering work, but it's generally for the public safety. And as you can see, I am not yet prepared for any video like this one, as I do not have my clothes yet. It's still in the boxes. As you can remember, we have just transferred. Sorry. And I don't even have a UPS for my desktop yet. But for my router, for the Wi-Fi, it's already configured and it's already using the alternative backup system, the UPS. It's already there. It's already working. So See you guys very soon. Hopefully. Thank you.